Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to track expenses with Wells Fargo Online Banking. This helps especially if you're trying to budget smarter and just keep track of everything. So the easiest way to do this is obviously head over to the Wells Fargo website. As you can see, I'm already on it. Then go over and put in your username and password for your online banking. Go ahead and hit sign on. This will then lead you to your account summary page. This is where you basically just get a brief amount of how much you have and how many accounts you have open. So as you can see, I have my one Wells Fargo account open. So here is where you want to go to accounts, hover over that, go down a little bit, and then find your way all the way over to where it says download account activity. This is where everything is. Go ahead and click that and it'll lead you to this page. This page is super straightforward. You select the account that you'd like the information of, and then select a date range. Usually, especially if this is for taxes as well, I would do the entire year from tax season to tax season, or even just 2024 to 2025, so on and so forth. And you have two options here. Either you have Quicken, which can be accessed through Web Connect, or comma delimited, which is ASCII or spreadsheet. The one I usually go for is the spreadsheet one because it's compatible with things like Excel and Google Sheets, and those have really easy ways to track your expenses both through text and visually. So I usually like to use this one. Then what you're going to want to do is hit download, and it'll download straight to your PC and lets you open it pretty much instantly. So it's super simple, super straightforward. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.